Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use Apple Watch to enable or turn on lost mode on iPhone. So if you have an Apple Watch and you misplaced your iPhone, now you want to use the Apple Watch to turn on or enable lost mode on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to enable lost mode on your iPhone using your Apple Watch is press the two crown ones to exit the watch face. Then locate and click on Find My. Once you click on Find My, then if you see no Apple devices found to locate, just hit the back button once or click on the two crown ones. Click on Settings. Click on your profile name. Then on the profile page, wait until you say Sign in with Apple, then scroll down. Locate your iPhone and click on it. Once you click on your iPhone name, make sure Find My iPhone is turned on. So if you have Find My iPhone turned on, now go back to the app menu, click on the Find My again. Now, once you click on the Find My again, this is what you're going to have. Then you have your devices. So here you can see I have my iPhone, I have my Apple Watch, I have my iPad. Now to turn on lost mode on iPhone from Apple Watch, click on the name of your iPhone. Once you click on the name of your iPhone, scroll down. You may choose to play a sound, find directions, and now scroll down. You should say lost mode. To turn on lost mode on your iPhone using your Apple Watch, just click on lost mode. Then it should say lost mode log the device and allow you to leave contact information and a message for the finder. Go ahead and turn on lost mode. Then it should say contact information. Just click on phone number and type in your phone number. Click on phone number again. Then go ahead and type in your phone number. Click on OK. Then it should say lost mode enabled. And on your phone, if you have lost iPhone, you see that? So once you have lost iPhone, that shows you've enabled lost mode on your iPhone. Now to unlock the iPhone, is that you provide your password or come back to your Apple Watch and turn off lost mode. And then you're good. So that is basically how to turn on or how to use Apple Watch to enable or turn on lost mode on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.